Welcome to Stage Stars, the basics of acting. Acting is like stepping into someone else's shoes and telling a story through emotions and actions. Actors express different emotions to make their characters feel real and relatable. Your body is your instrument. Learn to use gestures and postures to communicate your character's feelings. A clear voice is essential. Practice speaking loudly, softly, and with different tones to convey emotions effectively. Let's practice some emotions. Happiness. Wow, I got an A on my test. Sadness. I miss my best friend who moved away. Angry. It's not fair. I wanted to play first. Surprise. Wow, I didn't expect to find a puppy in the backyard. Excitement. I can't wait for my birthday party tomorrow. Fear. I'm scared of the dark shadows in my room at night. Confusion. I don't understand this math problem at all. Pride. Look, Mom, I tied my shoes all by myself. Shyness. Can I please have a turn to speak? Curiosity. What's inside that box over there? Actors sometimes use improvisation. Improvisation, or improv, is super fun. You play games and make up stories on the spot. Actors sometimes study a script. Scripts can be done as scene study in groups or even in pairs. Get a grown-up and you can download the Practice Emotions. Congratulations! You've completed Stage Stars, the basics of acting. Keep practicing and who knows, you might just be the next big star. Subscribe for more fun acting stuff.